Good day, everyone. We are now on our second lesson for this week. It is still under topic 14, lesson 2, patterns, number rules. Textbook pages 739 to 742. Again, get ready with your book and your pen and listen attentively as I discuss to you our lesson for today. Now let's have solve and share problem. There are 6 juice boxes in one pack, 12 in 2 packs, and 18 in 3 packs. How many juice boxes are in 4 packs, in 5 packs, in 6 packs? Use the rule to complete the table. Describe features of the pattern. Then find how many juice boxes are in 10 packs and 100 packs. So what we're going to do here is we are going to follow the rule to complete the table to find how many juice boxes are there in 4 packs, 5 packs, and 6 packs. So following the rule multiply by 6, we are going to multiply the number of packs by 6. So we have here 4 times 6 equals 24. 5 times 6, it equals 30. Then 6 times 6 equals 36. So the number of juice boxes are multiples of 6. Now, look at the number of juice boxes. They are all even numbers. And then to find how many juice boxes are in 10 packs, we are going to multiply 10 by 6. So the answer is 60 juice boxes. And for the 100 packs, of course, we're still going to multiply it by 6. So 100 times 6 is equal 600 juice boxes. So you can use a rule to extend a pattern in a table that represents a real-world situation. You can also find relationships between the numbers in the columns of the table. Now let's discuss the problem in look back. Create a table showing the relationship between the number of bicycles and the number of wheels on bicycles. Start with 1 bicycle. Complete 5 rows of the table using the rule multiply by 2. Describe features of the pattern. So we will make a table, okay, like this, showing the relationship of the number of bicycles and the number of wheels. Then we are going to follow the rule multiply by 2. So we are going to multiply by 2 the number of bicycles. So 1 times 2, it equals 2. 2 times 2, it equals 4. 3 times 2, it equals 6. 4 times 2, it equals 8. And 5 times 2, it equals 10. So what is the feature of the pattern? What can you say about the number of wheels? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we have here the feature of the pattern is the number of wheels are even numbers. You can use addition also to find the number of wheels, like 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and so on. So the number of wheels is a multiple of the number of bicycles for each number pair.
What is the pattern?
You can use a pattern to help you solve a problem.
There are 3 leaflets on 1 clover leaf. There are 6 leaflets on 2 clover leaves. There are 9 leaflets on 3 clover leaves. How many leaflets are on 4 clover leaves? How many clover leaves will have 12 leaflets? How does the picture help you find the information you need to answer the question? The picture shows 3 leaflets on each clover leaf. You need to find how many leaflets are on 4 clover leaves and how many clover leaves will have 12 leaflets. You can use a table to create, extend, and identify features of a pattern. What is the rule for finding the number of leaflets on 4 clover leaves? Multiply the number of clover leaves by 3. There are 12 leaflets on 4 clover leaves. What features are in the pattern in the table? The numbers of leaflets are all multiples of 3 and are all multiples of the number of clover leaves. Now look at this new table. How many clover leaves are there for 12 leaflets? There are 4 clover leaves for 12 leaflets. What features are in the pattern in this table? The number of clover leaves is a factor of the number of leaflets. Now you can use a pattern to solve a problem.
Now let's proceed to convince me. If you know the number of leaflets, how can you find the number of clover leaves? If you know the number of clover leaves, how can you find the number of leaflets? So, if you know the number of leaflets, then you are going to divide the number of leaflets by 3 to find the number of clover leaves. And if you know the number of clover leaves, you are going to multiply by 3 to find the number of leaflets. Okay, let's solve guided practice questions. Let's have question number 1. The rule for this table is multiply by 4. What number does not belong? So first thing we will do is to multiply each number by 4. So 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. Then 4 times 4, is it 15? Wrong. It's not 15. 4 times 4 is 16. So therefore, the number that does not belong in the pattern is 15. And let's proceed to do you know how? Complete the table, then describe a feature of the pattern. So in this problem number 2, the rule states divide by 4. So the total number of wheels will be divided by 4. Okay? So that's the number of cars. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. So what is the feature of the pattern? The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. So the number of cars is a factor of the total number of wheels for each number pair. So let's have more examples. So the rule for this is multiply by 18. So we have there the trucks, number of trucks, and the number of wheels. So we are going to multiply the number of trucks by 18. So 3 times 18 is equals 54. 5 times 18 is equals 90. 7 times 18 it's equals 126. 9 times 18 it's equals 162. So what is the feature of the pattern? The number of wheels are multiples of 18. Let's have another example. The rule states that divide by 3. And we have here the earned amount, and we're going to find out the saved amount. So to find the saved amount, we are going to divide each earned amount by 3. So $12 divided by 3 is equals $4. $18 divided by 3 is equals $6. $24 divided by 3 it's equals $8. $30 divided by 3 it's equals $10. Now what can you say about the pattern of the numbers 4, 6, 8, and 10? So feature of the pattern is that the amount saved is a factor of the amount earned. So that ends our lesson for today about number patterns. Thank you for listening.